What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video we are going to cover the money team gold trading. Okay, so essentially this project it's a project on Binance Smart Chain where investors will deposit their USDT, and then the team behind the scenes will use part of the funds to trade goals. Okay, so once they make the gold trades, okay, the profits, they will be re-injected to the smart contract to pay the investors. Okay, essentially that's how the project works. The reason why I'm making a video is just to give you an update about the project and showing how it's performing for the past nearly 2 weeks. The project was launched on the 15th of January 2023. Okay, today is the 28th. Okay, 13 days later, the project still here, still going strong. And over here, we can see the statistics. Okay, if you come over here, we can see the contract balance 37K. Okay, yeah, 37K right there. Total deposits 49K and total withdrawn 12K. Okay, very simple to play with this project. Okay, so the minimum investment is 100 USDT BEP20 tokens. So remember this project is on Binance Smart Chain, and before you deposit you need a sponsor. Okay, so just find a sponsor and paste the wallet address over here and hit your deposit. So once you make your deposit, you will start earning 2% daily. Okay, remember guys, before you withdraw, the minimum withdrawal is 50 USD. Okay, so once you hit 50 USD, you can make your claim, or you can redeposit. And then after your first claim, you can only claim every 7 days. Okay, as you can see right here, after your first claim, you can only claim weekly. Okay, and the minimum is still 50 USDT. Over here, we'll show you total withdrawal as soon as you start making withdrawals. Okay, this platform allows you to withdraw your initial investment, your initial deposit after 14 days. Okay, so over here you can read more about how to cash out your right here, how to cash out your deposit. Okay, after 15 days you can claim your full deposit. Okay, right, so the project has been audited and has been KYC'd. Okay, let's have a quick peek at the smart contract real quick and let's see the past 25 transactions. So you can see payouts, reinvestments, deposits. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's what we want to see. Okay, money team CEO, what's this? Let's click on this transaction and let's see what happened here. Okay, seems like they deposit 10 bucks. Okay, right, so if you come over to the TG, okay, we can see a lot of stuff. So money team gold trading, we have the main chart, we have support, YouTube promotion, we got the KYC. Okay, so the team, the Jonna, the CEO has been KYC'd by Anoni Docs. Okay, the KYC is right here, is certified. Okay, over here, as soon as they start the tradings, they will post the trading summaries right here. Okay, so I believe I was told that they will start trading coming Monday, so hopefully we will start see some figures right here. Okay, and over here is where you can find the audit. Okay, also there is a video. They have doxed themselves. Where is the video? I've seen the video somewhere. Is it here? Yeah, they have doxed themselves, right? I think it's this one. Let's play some mod.
Hi, my name is Sek. I'm managing Money Team Gold Trading. We're specialized in DeFi and gold trading. We want to establish a long-term investment for you. Today I would like to take you on a tour from our office to show you how we work. As you can see, we have a modern and professional space to make it work for you. The space is designed for our trading bots and from our team of experienced traders to make it work for you. Everything is designed to reach our goal, but also your goal. At Money Team Gold Trading, we don't look at the short term, we look at the long term. That's why we chose gold as our main investment. We offer you guys an easy way to take your profits for a bare minimum of just $50 every 7 days. Our sole contract deployable source access to the funds. We try to maintain and obtain a 75% for trading and 25% for the contracts. And we're offering you guys a 2% daily return of investment.
Okay guys, there you go. So one of the team members just show themselves. Okay, so I would like to see more and more of this coming in the near future. Okay, hopefully they will be doing an AMA, you know, showing their faces and talk about tradings, etc. Okay guys, but so far that's all we got. Okay, at least, you know, they have KYC and they have a knowledge. Okay, so 75% of the TVL will be moved to trades. Okay, the 25% will stay in the contract to feed investors while the trades are ongoing. Then once they make profit from the trades, okay, they will be injecting those funds into the TVL to keep feeding the investors. And essentially that's how Money Team Gold Trading will make their money and pay their investors. Okay, so stay tuned in for more updates in regards to this project. Okay, so if you are in this project, okay, or if you're not in this project, please make sure you fully understand, read the docs, read the disclaimers, fully understand how the project works. Okay, this is still a DeFi project. It comes with risks, so only invest risk capital. Okay, and once you're happy with everything, okay, go ahead and make your moves. Okay guys, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.